Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic of Canvas, that is drawing circles. Although we have discussed how to draw a circle on a canvas, but that time we didn't discuss how to draw different types of circle. Okay, but sometime in project you might face some condition where we are supposed to draw semicircle or some portion of a circle. Okay, so how we can do that? What are the steps that we are supposed to take in order to draw a customized circle? So these all things we are going to discuss today in this session. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. For time being, we will just focus on the main content, which is how to draw different types of circles. Clear? Alright, so now I think we are good to start with the session. And here if you look at the code is straightforward. So far, like we have just noted down one title in the head section, and then there is one heading which is showing HTML by Sharmit. Now what we will do, we will firstly I'll show you the output of this thing, which is coming like this, HTML by Sharmit. Now we will put one more heading here, which will show the today's topic. So let's add H to here. Here we will write different or maybe types of circle on canvas. So this is our topic, types of circle on canvas. After this, what we will do, we will simply create one canvas, because we are talking about canvas, and for drawing anything we need canvas, right? So let's create the canvas here. So for that we will use canvas element. Here in canvas element we will put ID. ID would be canvas 1. Then we will set width. Width would be 600 pixels. Then we'll set height, and height would be 300 pixels. This is not fixed, like you can take any value which you want to do, which you wanted to take, because for now I just want to create this kind of canvas only, because I just want to draw a small shape. But if you want to increase the size, increase the height, width, it is up to you, you can increase. Now to see the impact of this canvas, or to see the working area, what we can do, we can apply some styling to it. So here I'll write style border. Border would be of 5 pixels solid black. Okay, so this thing we can provide here. Now we can save it and refresh it. So after the refresh, you will see there is one canvas coming with a border. Okay, on this canvas we will draw something or some type of circles. Okay, so canvas is ready, heading is ready. Now it's time to connect this canvas with a script. So for that we will write here script. In script we will put some like some thing here. Like firstly we need to connect this script. So let's declare var c equal var c would be document dot get element by ID. Here we can provide the exact ID which we have specified here. So I have specified like canvas 1, so I will use it. In case if you are changing name here, you can place that name here also. Okay, otherwise it would not get connected. Remember one thing, this JavaScript is completely case sensitive. So in case if you are writing something in capital letter, you are supposed to write it capital letter. If I'm writing something in small letter, you are also supposed to write in small letter. Here like you can see we have document dot get element by ID, where get is written with small g, element is written with capital E, by is written with capital B, and ID is written with capital I. Clear? So what we did so far, we just created one variable, and in that variable is holding the canvas. Now what we will do, we will declare the ctx. So for that we will write here var equals ctx equal c dot get context where we will put 2D. Okay, So now you can save it. So what these two lines are doing here, first line is connecting your canvas with the script, and the second line is providing us all the tools that we need in order to create 2D shape or 2D structure. Clear? So we are ready with this thing. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to draw some circle. Now in order to draw anything, what we firstly need to do, we need to tell browser that we are going to create a new drawing or new structure. So that thing we can do with the help of begin path method. Okay, so here you can write ctx.begin path. So what this method will do, like this line number 31 will tell the browser that we are going to create a new path or new structure. Okay, after that we can provide we can use arc method to connect or to draw the circle. So let's write here ctx.arc. Here we are supposed to provide these all values. Some of them are optional, like x number we are supposed to provide, y number, radius, start angle, end angle, and counterclockwise. So this is also option for providing the boolean value, but it is optional. Okay, fine. So let me put some values here. So 95, 40, 0, 2 into math.py. Again, if I am writing something in capital, you are also supposed to write it in capital. Okay, otherwise it will not show. So I just provided all these value. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to use stroke method to draw these arc. Okay, so I just provided it here, save it. After a refresh, you will see, okay, something is wrong here. Maybe we have provided anything in a different way. So let me provide another value here. I missed one value, 50, save, refresh. Yeah, so now you can see one circle is coming here. I missed this value, that's why it was not showing it earlier, but now I can see there is one circle that we have drawn. Now if you want to make it more visible, more appearance was good, so we can apply some color to it. So let's apply ctx dot fill style, and here I can pass not like this. We are supposed to provide the value as red or whatever color you want to do. So I just saved it. Now we are supposed to use fill method, otherwise it will not fill the thing. So ctx dot fill, save it, refresh it. So you can see now this circle is coming with a red color. Okay, so this is just a normal circle. Now how we can make it semicircle? So to make it semicircle, you can change this 2 into math.py into 1 into math.py. Now save it and refresh it. So now you can see the circle is coming with as a semicircle. Similarly, if you want to see only the 0.5 portion, so let me change it to 0.5. Now it is coming like this. Similarly, if you want to make it as 1.5, you can change it to 1.5. Clear? 1.2, would it work if we change it to 1.2? Yes. So likewise, you can change your value as per your requirement. In case if you are not providing any value here, directly providing math.py, still it will show you the semicircle. Clear? If you want to make it complete circle, you can use 2 into math.py. Again, it would become complete circle. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to draw a circle with different shapes, different kind of circles we are drawing basically. Okay, all right. Now some of you might be thinking, like, if let's say if I want to merge two circles, so is it possible? Yes, it is. For that, let me show you one more example. I will copy it from here. Now I'll paste it here, save it, and here instead of 50, let me put 80. Similarly here also 80, and instead, like, okay, let's go with 80 first. So I'll save it, refresh it. So now you can see one bigger circle is overlapping the above outer circle, inner circle. So let me change it to 1. So it will become semicircle. Now you can see this shape is drawn with the help of by combining two types of circle. One is complete circle and another one is a semicircle or half circle. Clear? So this is how you can utilize this method, arc method, to draw different kind of circle. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.